Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Golang on Linux with a single command like the one on your screen. No errors. Now let's begin. Open your terminal and run the command shown on screen, then press Enter. Boom! The installer is running and Golang is being installed on our Linux terminal. While it's installing, you'll see progress in the terminal. I'll pause the clip and resume when the installation finishes to keep this short. A few seconds later, Golang is now installed. To confirm, type Go version in the terminal. Now you can see and confirm Go installed without errors. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ethical hacking and programming languages tutorial videos like this.